Hello, hello, and good evening to everyone. Happy Monday, and welcome the month of May. Welcome to V432 Wellness, Community Sound Healing and Meditation. Tonight and every Monday of April and May is a sound healer's journey. So, ano po tayo? We're featuring local sound healers. You get to know them. Iba't iba po silang lugar galing, and then you get to also hear their story, how they became a sound healer, and also get to feel, no? Get to feel their loving vibrations. I'm just checking in if people are already tuned in. Hold on. All right. Yes, I think we're tuned in already. Hold on. There you go. A lot of people pala are tuned in already. Miss Tina, Miss Evil, Miss Christine Joy is watching. Thank you so much for watching tonight. Hold on. So before I feel that my signal is wobbly and unstable tonight, but nonetheless, thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. I hope you can hear us. Please give us a thumbs up if you can hear us. Uh, Hold on. Let me get to it. I'm going to just. All right. Checking in. I'm having just a little bit of trouble. Magandang gabi, Teacher Faye. Just having a little bit of internet trouble here. Thank you for your patience. Ganyan po talaga ang live. So, hold on, checking in. Thank you for your patience. So, before we get to our sound healer's journey, yes, I think we're starting to get back on track. Okay, hold on. Still getting a little bit of internet trouble here. Thank you so much for your patience, everyone. So, before we dive in, I'd like to remind everyone that V432 Wellness, we do have a YouTube channel. Please do like and subscribe for your daily dose of sound healing. It's um, we do have over 100 videos of sound healing for you in our YouTube channel. So please visit, like, and subscribe as well. So and then I think let's get to it. Let me check again once more how we're doing. Still, I think we're still having a little bit of trouble, but the show must go on. I hope Teacher Jayshon's internet is good. Thank you so much for your patience. So, our sound healer for tonight is a professional musician. So is a professional musician. He holds a master's degree, oh my God, in music. And he chose the path of healing. It's really, really interesting to get to know the story behind, no, being a sound healer. So without further ado, let's all welcome. He's all the way in Pangasinan. So kung saan-saan po ang mga vibrations natin, dumadaloy kung saan-saan po ng parts ng Pilipinas. So it's such an honor and so grateful to have with us tonight from Pangasinan, teacher Jayshon, Fabia. I'll ask just to open. I hope the internet is good. Hi, Teach.
Hi, Teacher Tonette.
Sincere apologies for the internet. Ha ha ha.
You're fine po.
Kakaiba. So thank you so much for your patience.
Thank you.
Yay! So a lot of people are watching. Kanina biglang nawala yung ano ko, yung mga connection ko dito medyo unstable pa. Kaya let's get right to it, no? Gusto nating malaman ano po ba ang kwento. Why did you become a sound healer? And if you're happy to share, what have you been doing, no? Ano bang pinagagawa mo aside from being a sound healer? What else, no, are you doing?
Thank you. I'm Miss Tonette, and to everyone, I'm still doing my master. So hopefully in a few years, I'll be finishing my master's in music therapy. So I double majored in music and psychology, and decided to choose a master's in music therapy. And I ended up being a sound healer. It was an accident, actually. So when a partner, enrolled me to Reiki. And at first, as a person in academia, we're having a lot of doubt towards these things. And then I had Miss Aileen. She's my Reiki 1 teacher, and she's so grounded that she changed my mind towards Reiki and other practices. And then from then, she told me about you. When I told her na I'm a classical pianist, she told me, oh, you should know teacher Tonette. And then it keeps on coming back. And Jay told me, oh yeah, Tonette is an amazing sound healer teacher from Whitespace. So the name Tonette, your name, keeps on popping from people's mouth. And then one time, you invited Jay to join a sound healing teacher training class, and then he told me if I would like to join. That's why I messaged you, teacher Tonette, because I feel like it's calling me. Even before meeting you, I met this owners of a non-profit organization for sexually abused women and children. And so I've been trying to give music classes using the things I've learned from music therapy. And for some reason, then I felt like there's something missing. And so maybe it's something an intuition told me to get the sound healing to add on me for a future career I'm trying to have. And it clicked. And so when I went to this shelter for sexually abused kids in La Union, I brought my bowls. It was good. It was amazing. It was it was an experience where the children were asking me after the session. They were asking me. That was very honest, very innocent, full of questions. And they were telling me how the sound and the vibrations affected them. And so I felt like um, I'm so excited to pursue music therapy now that I'm equipped of sound healing with the Himalayan bowls. It's making sense, and it felt like the universe brought the people to say your name along the way, and brought this bowls from Tibet to me here in Pangasinan.
You are such a blessing. Right to it. After the training, immediately right after, you were called to just serve, just with much confidence and just, the intention of really healing. You really went through it. By the way, so Teacher Eileen is also my mentor, so small world lang talaga, no? Everything is happening in divine order. They also is a space where a wonderful, wonderful reading. To still have classes in white streets. There is a wonderful, wonderful light. So, napakagara na we're just being close to the people who will allow us to let us be, no? Who should be, or perhaps who we are being called to be. No? Sarap naman. So, Teacher Jayshon, aside from sound teacher, but you have a degree in piano as well?
Oh yes po. So I have my degree in music and psychology. I double majored. Um, so I'm a classical pianist, and I do research. And so when I for my senior research paper in psychology, I made a paper on music and stress. And so I presented that research paper in Boston with psychological association sciences psychological sciences association, and I'm excited to make a research on on abuse and the bowls. Maybe when I get to that part of my masters.
You and me both. So excited for that. Really, a lot of people are joining us tonight. Jasper Gabu, Teacher John Reynagas is in the house. Teacher Faye De Leon, Teacher Mark Lau, who's also watching. Of course, Teacher Isla Luis Almendras is watching. Hello, Hanky. Hanky,
Oh,
or
Hanky.
yeah, Hanky is watching tonight, and also Iti Yura Anihia is watching tonight. Ang dami pong nanonood. So, thank you so much for joining. Kaya ang dami mo agad fans sa Teacher because you're fully equipped, no, with all the tools. You have psychology, you have the sciences, and you have, the energy healing behind you as well. So where can they actually inspire, no, these sessions with you? Saan po ba?
A first session is tonight.
Yes.
So I have a page on Instagram and Facebook. It's called Talna. So Talna. It's an Ilocano word for peace or without movement.
Woohoo! Yung pala ibig sabihin ng talna.
Yes, and I'm currently doing a fundraising. Everyone, all of the money that I will get from all of the sessions will be donated to a chosen nonprofit organization in Ilocos for sexually abused women and children.
Woohoo! Fantastic. Di ba? You get healed and you get to help, no? Sobrang So, Talna, again, Talna space PH. There's an IG page. There's also a Facebook page where you get to book your session with Teacher Jayshon, your Reiki, even piano lessons. No? Pwede
Yes.
po to offer po niya. So, Teacher Jayshon, can we actually hear what can we expect for tonight? Everybody's so excited when you share the page. Oh, Juliana Bettina Pacquiao is also watching tonight. Good evening. Oh my gosh. Yung mga people, thank you for watching, Juliana. A lot of people really watching tonight. Teacher Isla, pinakamagandang buhay daw. So, there you go. Thank you so much, everyone. What can we expect for your sound healing tonight, Jayshon?
I was actually preparing a chant I made from an Ilocano folk song, but I thought a feeling came to me that I need to change it because the song is for full moon and new moon just happened. And so I thought of an Ilocano chant that my ancestors and very few people are still practicing now. It's called alaw. And alaw literally means to save and or to give comfort. And so alaw is a chant we use to call our consciousness back, calling our own name back after a long day of work. The idea was as what my very wise maternal grandmother told me, because when you leave home, a part of you is bound to stay, or you will lose a part of you out there. And it's your responsibility to call yourself back, because no one could call yourself back unless you could call yourself back. And we also use that chant for rituals. So when there's a big trauma, an accident, an abuse happened to someone, the shaman, the babaylan, the eldest practicing woman will come with other elders who are also women, and they will call the community the family of the person, and they will do the ritual with that chant, with their paraphernalias, calling the consciousness as a community. So they will call your consciousness. I had those twice when I had accidents when I was a child, and so her name was Apong Luz. Apong means elder in Ilocano. She was with other elders, elderly women, and my families are here as a village bringing your consciousness back from a trauma. I found that very wonderful. Tapos we also use that ritual when someone is seriously ill. Maybe it's a natural medical reason, or maybe it's the spirits, whatever they want to believe in. But aside from really calling for the healing power of the universe, it's also calling for the comfort that maybe it's time for that soul to move on. So sometimes calling the consciousness is not only about healing, it's also accepting of what's happening. So that's we're going to do that. I'm going to give a short chant we use, which is alaw, and maybe focus everyone home.
So excited for that. Thank you so much, Teacher Jayshon. Just a bit of background of what you're gonna expect with Teacher Jayshon Sound Healing. So let's get to it. I'll leave you with Teacher Jayshon. So take it away, Teacher Jayshon. I love you.
Thank you, Teacher Tanet. I love you too. I'll just change my audio back to low. Hey everyone, please be seated or to any position that is comfortable for you, and we're going to do some breathing exercises, and we're going to focus on our breathing as I do the chant. It's a very short chant, but along the way I'll be giving some questions and instructions for you to think about. Okay? So in a very comfortable position, maybe seated, or maybe just on your bed, or whatever position it is comfortable to you, relaxing everything. And remember to breathe deeply, slowly, with kindness. I invite everyone to put both of your hands on top of your heart and feel your heart beating. The heart is the home of everything we desire. It's a home for our body, the home of our soul. And think of home. Maybe it's a place
It's a group of people. Maybe for some of us, we are still looking for home. As you inhale, think of your relationship with the universe. Find peace and invite trust that the universe is unfolding for you to grow. For you to lose something and find something. To end something, for us to start something. As I will start the Ilocano chant, I want you to think of yourself or anything or anyone you lost, you are currently losing, or you're scared to lose. Let's try to call them back. Call your name. Jayshon. Nakatoy balaye. Saan ka ba't pati? Di Talna, Talna. Agawid ka, agawid ta, agawid ka, agawid ka. Uwi ka na, uli na ta, sumpet ka lang, agawid ka. Sa are afraid to lose, or maybe the things you lost, and the things you're losing right now. As you inhale, exhale, trusting in the universe. Inhale, exhale. For the last inhale, ask for courage to lose for those people and things if you don't need anymore, or maybe the universe is trying to separate us from them, and have the courage to learn something from it, to find something from what we lost, from what we are losing, from what we are scared to lose. I'll start a very short prayer chant in Ilocano. And as you inhale deeply and slowly, say a short, honest prayer. For the things you want to come back to you, for the things you want to find again. For the courage to let go, to accept, and to grow. Inhale through your nose, receiving
slowly open your eyes. Maybe drink some water. I'll just move my... Hi, Miss Tonette. I'll just move my camera.
Woohoo! Thank you so much, Teacher Jayshon. That was absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. Coming back to your true nature, coming back to your home. Thank you so much. Letting go to start a new, lovely, lovely healing vibration. Thank you so much, Teacher Jayshon. Hold on. Let me fix this so that we can see they can see both of us. So, a lot of people super super supporting us tonight. Salamat po. All over from Myanmar. Sama Seng Itoy Lang is watching tonight. Jennifer Kapuyan Ruiz is watching. Angie Visceral, oh my gosh. Teacher Don Domingo is watching tonight. A lot of people supporting. You are so welcome. Agyaman Manong Jayshon from Jana. Mary Chris is also watching tonight. A different experience for me. First time to hear Himalayan bowls with Ilocano chant. Only with Teacher Jayshon. Dito lang po siya. Teacher Joanne is here. And then a lot of people sending in their gratitude. Tina Dasun Purisma is also sending her gratitude. Juliana is also sending her thank you. Teacher March Lau is also saying thank you. Beautiful daw, no? Napakagara, where can you experience that? Salamat din daw sabi ni Sir Ramil Samonte. Thank you so much everyone for joining in tonight. Teacher Jayshon, absolutely angelic and heavenly experience. One, ano lang po yan, only from Teacher Jayshon. So if you like more, Teacher Jayshon is the genius behind Talna space PH. He has a Facebook page. He has an Instagram page. Karen Ferrer is also watching. Teacher Christine Ramos is also watching. Ano ba yan? Ang daming tao tonight, Teacher Jayshon. Your energy is so amazing. Teacher John Nagas, woohoo! Thank you so much, everyone, for joining tonight. Thank you for your amazing, amazing healing energies. Any last words, Teacher Jayshon?
Um, Maybe for some last word, Miss Tonette, I want to thank you, and I want to thank my friends for teaching me something. My students are here. I invited my students from, I don't know if my Vietnamese and Chinese students are here, but my Burmese students are here, and my friends. I just want to remind everyone that we are bound to lose something, and we are bound to find something. We are bound to receive, and maybe it's time for some things and some people to let go of them. And it's May, it's Mental Health Awareness Month. And sometimes we can't do it alone. I have a clinical depression anxiety. I know I couldn't do it. I'm here, and I'm still here because of my community and because of counseling and everything, all of the professionals who helped me. Please, if you think you need a professional help, reach out to counselors. If you need someone to talk to, reach out to your friends. You can even reach out to me, and I give my services to whatever you could pay. And if you know someone who is really broke, homeless, or really struggling financially, Talna is giving it for free, and for few sessions for those who couldn't give, who couldn't pay, simply because we should be here for each other. And I think that's this month is trying to teach us, and that's what we've learned from each other. Again, thank you.
My gosh, such a generous offer, Teacher Jayshon. Thank you so much. So, Talna Space PH, Instagram and Facebook. You can catch Teacher Jayshon's session there. You can book your sessions. All of the proceeds also go to a nonprofit org for the sexually abused, no, people. So very purposeful, no, purposeful sessions. Aside from your healing, you got to also heal, no, other people. So thank you so much, Teacher Jason. Next week we don't have a sound healers journey, but we do have a special edition of our community sound healing at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. po tayo, ibang oras po, 8 a.m. sound healing for a peaceful election po tayo on May 9, 9 a.m. po tayo. If you want to just, tune in at 9 a.m. Sama-sama lang po tayo for a very peaceful and loving election ahead. And then the week after that is Who's our Teacher Joanna? Oh my gosh, Teacher Joanna of Tiny Blue Girl Yoga will be sharing her sound healer's journey and also her loving and healing vibrations. By the way, if you are being called to energy healing, Reiki first degree, so no experience or beginners or new to Reiki are very welcome. If you're being called to energy healing, Reiki first degree is happening the week after the elections, May 14 and 15. It's a hybrid class. So meron po tayong online and face-to-face. So if you're interested, please do send us a DM. If you'd like to learn, if you'd like to just be a sound healer as well, we offer that. Next sound healing teacher training is happening on July 23 and 24. Please do send us a DM if you're interested. Retreats are coming up next. We're just waiting for what's happening next after the election. But of course, V432 wellness retreats are coming soon. Of course, Teacher Jayshon will be there to hold space for you, no? So, yan, proud of you. Ang daming nagme-message dito. Proud of my brother Jayshon Fabia. Mariton Eslava watching tonight. Thank you so much, everyone. Again, I'll see you next week, Monday, May 9 at 8 a.m. Sound healing for a peaceful election. I hope you do have a wonderful and blessed week ahead. Thank you so much again, Teacher Jayshon Fabia of Talna Space PH, IG and Facebook. Please support, like, and follow. Okay, happy Monday, everyone. And thank you again, Teacher Jayshon. I love you. Bye, everyone.